Welcome to this video tutorial on the topic of Primeprint Solution. In this video, we will focus on cleaning the Primeprint material unit, exchanging a film insert, and demonstrating how a new cartridge is inserted. There are different reasons why a Primeprint material unit may be cleaned or reset. This includes, for example, printing errors, and you may want to remove the print residues from the vat. Another reason may be a film insert or wiper exchange. The material unit must also be disassembled and cleaned when it will be used for a different indication with a corresponding print resin. Next, we will demonstrate how to proceed depending on the cause. First, we will show what preparations are necessary and the materials used. Since this process involves the use of isopropanol, please follow the manufacturer's instructions for use and make sure you are working in a well-ventilated room. You will need disposable nitrile gloves, a mask, and absorbent paper towels. We recommend covering the workspace with an absorbent fleece before starting the cleaning process. Additionally, the Primeprint delivery includes an assembly tool as well as a torque wrench. Let us begin by disassembling the material unit. To remove the cover, first lever the slats forward with your index and middle finger. With the other hand, hold the vat in place so that you can fold the cover upwards. Now lift the cover with both hands and place it on a separate paper towel to keep the furniture's surface clean. Next, we remove print residues and the wiper from the vat. Print residues can stick to the film instead of the build platform as a result of printing errors. On the printer display, you can select to print a cleaning layer. This layer is easier to remove. In our case, we will only remove the printing error residues with the help of a plastic playing card that is included in the delivery. We lift the layer from the vat, let it drip off, and place it on a paper towel. Since we will clean the complete vat during this tutorial, we also remove the wiper. You will see later in this video how the wiper is cleaned. To cure the print residues, we place them outside in the sun on a paper towel. The cured layers and the paper towel can then be discarded with regular household waste. The remaining print resin can be used for future print jobs. Therefore, we collect it in an opaque container intended for this type of resin. To collect further, smaller fragments, we use a very fine disposable filter. We empty the vat from the rear corner. Once it is empty, we place some absorbent paper towels inside. After all resin has passed through the filter, we discard the filter as described before. While the paper towels somewhat absorb the resin, we clean the wiper with the paper towel that has been soaked with isopropanol. Alternatively, the wiper can be placed in a container filled with isopropanol, and the resin residues can be wiped off with your fingers. Then, we wipe out the inside of the vat with paper towels. It is recommended that you change your gloves periodically during this process in order to avoid contamination of areas that were already cleaned. Then, we pour approximately 100 milliliters of isopropanol into the vat, making sure that the whole bottom is covered. After an exposure time of approximately 5 minutes, we remove resin residues from all nooks and grooves with a brush. We discard the isopropanol together with the resin residues from the vat into a resealable waste container specifically designed for this purpose. Then we wipe out the vat with a clean cleaning cloth. Please follow local guidelines when discarding used isopropanol. Now we will exchange the tenter with the pre-installed film insert. The film is a wear part and should be replaced after 250 to 300 print processes. When it has reached the end of its service life, a message to this effect will be shown by the Primeprint Touch interface. First, we place some paper towels and the assembly tool into the vat. We turn the vat over and remove all screws with the torque wrench. In case it doesn't come loose on its own, we separate the tower vat from the film insert with the assistance of a thin and stable object. Then we remove the sealing ring from the tenter and clean the ring with a wipe that is soaked with isopropanol. Please do not pull the ring through the wipe. We place the ring into the recess again without pulling on it. Now we place a new tenter with pre-installed film insert on the glass inside the vat. As a precaution, we again use the paper towels and the assembly tool and turn the vat over. We tighten all screws with the torque wrench until there is a cracking sound when the torque has been reached. Turn the vat over again and remove the paper towels and assembly tool. Check if the vat is properly sealed by filling it with water. In case any water escapes, repeat the film insert exchange. Last, we insert the cleaned wiper in the vat. While doing this, please make sure that the position is correct, as shown in the video. After inserting the wiper, the cover of the material unit is now attached to the vat again. To do this, first hook the slats in at the back until they engage with the slats of the vat. Then, fold the cover towards the front and downward and push the cover down with light pressure until it engages. Please do not push on the cartridge during this process, only on the cover frame. Finally, we will demonstrate what to pay attention to with a new packaged cartridge and how to insert it into the material unit and remove it. First, we remove the cartridge from its packaging. The cartridge delivery includes several stickers and instructions for use. The material name sticker is affixed to the material unit, and the two teardrop-shaped stickers are affixed to the two washing containers. The color coding ensures that the material unit or washing containers won't get mixed up. Before placing the cartridge, we shake it for approximately 10 seconds. Now we carefully remove the seal label. Then we insert the cartridge into the material unit, making sure that it is properly faced in its ultimate position. To remove the cartridge, place both thumbs in the indentation and press the cartridge out. Please make sure not to turn over the removed cartridge, otherwise resin may run out. Thank you very much for your attention. We would like to wish you every success when working with Primeprint Solution.